Today we are going to talk about how to boil egg with water. A lot of time it's difficult to peel the shell, so today we're going to show a very easy way.
Add cold water to cover all the eggs. Then add 4 tablespoons of salt.
Actually, this is the key. This will be the reason why the eggshell is easily removed. Then we start to cook. How long are you going to cook?
I'll just keep cooking until it boils.
After water boils, then turn off the fire. Then what?
And that's it. Let it cool down.
Okay, just let it cool down. Actually, a lot of time we tried before was to put the boiled egg in cold water or even ice water, but it still did not work well. And let's see the result of our new method. Okay, let's see if we can peel the shell easily.
It's a little bit hard still.
You can see it's really easy. You don't need to put the boiled egg into the cold water.
It's kind of like to take a look inside too. Perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect.